guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing my Ipsy Plus unboxing. So it looks like. The inside looks like. I haven't opened anything. I did open the box, that way I wouldn't have to fight with the tape. Here's the card. Okay, the first thing I have is the Hanley Sugar Lip Scrub. Oh, it smells super good. Kind of fruity, kind of like Fruity Pebbles maybe, some kind of cereal. That's kind of what it smells like. That smells super good. The next thing I have is the Finding Ferdinand lipstick. Well, that's fancy. Look, it's like a pen in the color Knob Hill Red. Swatch it on my hand. It's really not that red. It's kind of got a corally pinkish red tone, even though the stick itself looks very red. And on camera that kind of looks really red too, but in person not so much. I might kind of like it. Okay, the next thing I got is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. Plus it's just sticking to my hand. Ooh, got like a nice grippy handle here and super soft. I really like this. And then I got the Maelle Sunkissed Bronzer. Ooh, packaging looks like. It's very pretty. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And it's got a huge mirror. I'm going to swatch some of this stuff. There's a bunch of different colors and stuff though. I kind of don't like stuff like this because you can't just go in with your brush. You have to kind of watch what you're doing. That's what some of the colors in it look like. It has kind of like a highlighter, and then it's got like this little pink highlighter type color right there, and that's actually really pretty, but the rest is pretty pigmented. I like it, and I like the packaging too. It's super thin and like I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, and the last thing I have here is the Tarte Dream Big palette. It's also one of those mirrored palettes. Super pretty. But I am seeing powder on the outside of this package. I really hope it's not broken. Oh, it's not bad. The purple, I think that's what was on the box, kind of has like a couple little chunky looking things missing. But it's not too bad. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to swatch some of these two. Ooh, oh my geez. That brown is super pigmented. Those are the swatches. But I actually really like this box. I didn't expect to because I didn't think that I would really like this. super pretty. And that lipstick is too cool with its little pop out thing. It's definitely different. I like it. And the brush, I don't really use brushes to do my foundation, but I'm trying to swap things up a little bit because I've been using that Juno sponge thing, and I don't think I like it anymore. Because I don't know if it's the sponge itself or if it's my foundation, but it's making my skin look super cakey, which today it doesn't, but I have my days where it does, and I'm not the biggest fan. So I guess it's the sponge. That's all I can think of. Where'd my little pamphlet go? Oh, there it is. Here's the little pamphlet now. The Double Duty Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette by Tarte is $30. The Mayel Beauty Sunkissed Bronzer Palette is $32. The Sugar Scrub is $25. The IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush is $48. The Finding Ferdinand Lipstick in Knob Hill is $30, which comes to $165. So this box with this stuff, I paid $25 for it and got $165 worth of products. You kind of can't beat that. So I will leave my link in the description below for Ipsy, but I think you have to get the Ipsy bag, I think, for about a month, which is $10, which just has like little samples and stuff in it. And then you can upgrade to the Plus box, I think. I'm pretty sure. But I really do like Ipsy Plus. That is all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this coming very soon. I should get my BoxyCharm in a couple of days, and along with that BoxyCharm will be a giveaway. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.